Welcome friends, I am Rukesh Prajapati. Today we discuss about the most important mathematical tools for the physics, differential calculation. Differentiation, or we can say the derivation, is the most important mathematical tools used in a 11-12 science physics, right? So in this lecture we discuss about what is the derivative differentiation, what are the basics rules associated with the derivative differentiation, differentiation कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. We are taking a simple example to calculate the differentiation. It will very useful in a 11-12 science physics, right? So let us consider that what is the differentiation. Differentiation simply means that the change of one physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity. कोई एक फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का दूसरी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी के साथ में चेंज होने को कहते हैं डिफरेंशिएशन. Simply, differentiation means change of any one physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity. So let us take a one graph here is a function of x, right? So let y be the function of x and y be the changes as shown in the graph. So as shown in the graph, as the value of x increases, the value of y is also increases. So for a small change in a value of x like this, small change in a value of x, the value of y is increases like this. So the ratio of change in y to the change in x we can calculate it by delta x by delta y. The ratio we calculated by a delta x by delta y is a rate of change of y with respect to x. It is also considered as a slope, right? Slope of the graph, right, is a delta y divided by delta x. So when we considering a delta x approaches to the 0, that is if we consider a delta x very small approaches to the 0, that is a limit delta x tends to 0, that is a limit delta x tends to 0. What it means, the value of delta x is very small, nearest to the 0 but not 0, that is called the limit. Limit delta x tends to 0. So when we take a delta x is very small approaches to the 0, it will return as limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, and it is called the dy by dx, that is called a rate of change of y with respect to x, right? Rate of change of y with respect to x. So understand about what is the differentiation derivation. It simply means rate of change of one physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity. We can also take y and x. Similarly, we can also take x and t. We take a distance x and time t. If the distance changes with respect to time, we can take a derivation of the distance with respect to time. So it is very useful in the physics. So consider a some basic rules for the differentiation. Let us see the basic rules for the differentiation. So there are so many rules for the differentiation are there in the mathematics, but here we discuss only the few of the rules which is useful in a physics, right? So rule number 1 is that differentiation of addition is a addition of a differentiation. So if we have a two function fx and gx, right? Differentiation of addition of fx and gx, d by dx of fx plus or minus gx is equal to d by dx of fx plus or minus d by dx of gx, right? It's simply just separate the different types of the function which is in the differentiation. For example, if we considering a d by dx of 3x square minus 5x plus 9, right? We can write separate this all the terms d by dx of 3x square minus d by dx of 5x plus d by dx of 9. So separate all the terms or differentiation all the terms separately. How we can differentiation 3x square, 5x and 9 we will see later on in this same slide, right? Rule number 2, differentiation of power. Differentiation of power d by dx of x raised to n, it is equal to n x raised to n minus 1, right? We need to write a multiply a power with the x, and the power of x is decreases by a 1, right? For example, if we want to calculate the d by dx of 3 raised to x raised to 3, right? If you want to calculate a d by dx of x raised to 3, so we multiply a power 3, right, into we decrease the power of x minus 1, right? 3 આગળ લખી દે, 3 આગળ લખી નાખવાનો અને x ના પાવરમાં 1 માઇનસ કરી દેવાનો. So 3x square, right? So you can easily calculate the differentiation of x cube is equal to 3x square. Similarly, the differentiation of x square is equal to 2x. You have to remember how to differentiate this x square. So d by dx of x square, it is equal to 2x. x square માં જે પાવર છે 2 એ આગળ લખી નાખવાનો અને x ના પાવરમાં 1 માઇનસ કરી દેવાનો, એટલે 2 minus 1, that means a 1, right? X raised to 1, right? Same way, differentiation of only x is equal to 1. Here the power of x is 1, so we write a 1, and x raised to power 1 minus 1, that is a 0, and any raised to power 0, it is equal to 1. So differentiation of simple x is equal to 1. So you can easily calculate the differentiation of x raised to 4. What is the differentiation of x raised to 4? It is a 4x cube, right? So differentiation of x raised to 4 is a 4x cube. So clear about this, both the first rule, right? Rule number 1, addition and subtraction, differentiation in addition and subtraction. Rule number 2, differentiation of power, right? So both the rule is important to calculate the differentiation. Now we going towards the third rule, right? That is rule number 3, differentiation of constant with the variable. If we consider a d by dx of k x raised to n, where k is a constant value, right? differentiation of constant value does not changes with the variable. So we take a constant value k outside the differentiation, and d by dx of x raised to n, you know, n x raised to n minus 1. So if the constant value is there with the variable, the constant value does not changes with the variable, so we take out from the differentiation as it is, right, and remaining part we differentiate with respect to variable. So for example, if we considering a d by dx of 2x cube, right, d by dx of 2x cube, right, where 2 is a constant value. So we take out from the differentiation 2 d by dx of x cube. Now what is the differentiation of x cube? You know very well. 2 constant multiply by differentiation of x cube, that is a 3x square, right? So you get the answer is equal to 6x square. Another example, d by dx of 5x square, same, is equal to 10x. 5 constant, right, and the differentiation of x square is 2x, we get a 10x. Simply you have to remember, आपको क्या याद रखना है, ये पावर है उसको आगे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है और पावर में एक डिक्रीज करना है. 5 multiplied by 2, that is a 10, and if we decrease the power x minus 1, that is a x, right? Similarly, differentiation of d by dx of 4x, it is equal to 4 constant, and differentiation of x is a 1, so we get an answer 4, right? So now hope that you can easily do the differentiation of d by dx of 3x raised to 4. What is the answer orally? Of course, it is a 4 3s are 12, x 4 minus 1 3, right? So 12 x raised to the power 3. Now rule number 4, differentiation of constant is always 0. The constant value cannot changes with the variable, right? So the differentiation of the any constant value is always 0. Suppose we considering a d by dx of 7, right? 7 is a constant, so the differentiation of 7 is always 0. All the number and all the constant, right, the differentiation is 0. d by dx of 1000 is also a 0. So these 4 rules is very important to calculate the differentiation of any equation, any physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity. So you must have to remember these 4 rules of the differentiation. I repeat all the 4 rules from first rule, differentiation of addition or subtraction is a differentiation of addition or subtraction is the addition of differentiation. Second rule, d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. Rule number 3, d by dx of k x raised to n, we take a constant out of a differentiation, and the differentiation of constant is always 0. So let us take one example to calculate the differentiation, so you can easily understand the differentiation. Find the d by dx of 3x square minus 5x plus 9. As we take up previously, we take a same example, d by dx of 3x square minus 5x plus 9. So as per the rule number 1, we separate given a differentiator to the all the term d by dx of 3x square minus d by dx of 5x plus d by dx of 9. Given a separate differentiation to the all the terms. Now differentiation of 3x square is a 3 constant, differentiation of x square is a 2x, so you get the answer 6x. Second term, differentiation of 5x, 5 constant, and the differentiation of x is a 1, so you get the answer 5. And the differentiation of 9 is a 0, so no need to write, right? So let's take another example. D by dx of x raised to 4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 4, right? So first we separate all the terms, no need to separate, right? You can directly differentiate this equation to the answer this, right? X raised to 4, the differentiation of the x raised to 4 is a 4x cube. The differentiation of 5x cube is a 15x square minus differentiation of 3x square is a 6x, right? How we get the answer? According to the rule number 2 and 3, right? Rule number 2 and 3, we get the differentiation of the x raised to 4, right? 4x cube, differentiation of the 5x cube, 5 is constant, and the differentiation of the x cube is a 3x square, we get the 15x square. Here 3 is constant and the differentiation of x square is a 2x, so you get the 6x. So understand both the example. Can you able to try yourself some example of the differentiation? So let's try yourself this example of the differentiation. Calculate the differentiation of all the given equation. You can make a equation yourself also. So try to calculate the differentiation of the maximum equation. So these 4 rules are very important for the differentiation, but other rules also you have to remember. These rules are of differentiation are: first, rule number 5 is the differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x, right? You have to remember this differentiation rules because it is also useful in a physics. So differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. Similarly, differentiation of cos x is equal to minus sin x, right? Sin નું differentiation cos થાય અને cos નું differentiation minus sin થાય, right? Similarly, differentiation of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x, right? And the differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. So understand all the rules of the differentiation. Let's try something new. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? Think about it. What is the differentiation of the 1 by x? How we can calculate? So differentiation of 1 by x we can calculate like this way. D by dx of 1 by x. 1 by x is written as a x raised to minus 1. So as per the rule number 2, right, differentiation of x raised to minus 1 is equal to minus 1 x raised to minus 1 minus 1. So we get the answer minus x raised to minus 2. It is also written as minus 1 by x square, right? So differentiation of 1 by x is equal to minus 1 by x square, right? So dear friends, right, I hope that you will get the basic